ready again for our recipes. Today we are going to prepare our chocolate toffee matzo cracker. Why? Because still for pasta we are going to use our gluten-free matzo squares, and I use those for our lasagna, and then I have lots to use. So my idea is to prepare this chocolate toffee matzo cracker that will be a lovely dessert for or snack for pasta. So children, I need that you go and collect all the things that we need. I show you. We need to prepare the toffee on a pot, and of course you're going to put the ingredients and your parents are going to stir it and prepare the toffee. Then you need to collect brown sugar, butter, and maybe you need a spoon, a children's knife, scissors for children, and a grater, and lovely dark chocolate. Then if you have the rock salt, please collect it. If you don't have it, just get the sea salt that you have at home, because a little bit of salt it will give a vibe to our recipe. So then you definitely need this baking tray and some tin foil. So now with me, use the tin foil to cover all your baking tray. Be careful, we want that it reach the edge of the baking tray. Which shape is this? Yes, it's a rectangle. Well done. And we are going to place our matzo bread. I close in a plastic bag because I want to keep those nice and fresh. Yeah. Then we get one by one. Which shape is this? Yes, it's a square. Very good. So we are going to place them on the baking tray. I think I can put two, and then I have to cut pieces because my baking tray is not big enough to put more, but I can cut few pieces. Let me see. Let's see. If I cut it, yes, I can have other two little pieces, two little rectangles. After this, we have to put them in the oven with the toffee that we will prepare with a piece of butter. I use the unsalted butter. You can use, if you want, the vegetable butter. This butter is made out of milk, cow's milk, but if you cannot have it, you can have the vegetable butter. So I'm going to put just a piece. Then online you can see all the ingredients and how much you need of everything. So I'm going to cut in slices, so when we will put in the pot it will melt quicker. Yeah. Can you put the pot on the stove? No, you can't, so you definitely need help of your of an adult, but I think that they will enjoy to help you to do this nice recipe. So butter in the pot, use a children's knife and enjoy cutting your little pieces of butter. Which color is the butter? Yes, it's a yellowish, creamy. Yeah. All right, other two pieces. You can make even smaller if you enjoy cutting. Yeah. Then you have to add a cup of brown sugar. I will help myself with a teaspoon. Brown sugar is healthier than white sugar, but if you don't have brown sugar, you can always use white sugar. Yeah. Okay, we have a cup of brown sugar, and we are going to put in the pot, and we are going to ask a grown-up to put it in on the stove stir, stir, stir until they have the toffee. Okay? Now, in the meantime, can you please open the chocolate bar and grate it. We want that you grate it until it's like chocolate chips. Of course, if you have chocolate chips, you can use your chocolate chips. But if you don't have it, you can use a dark chocolate bar. Then you will put on top when you will have already the toffee on your matzo. So enjoy making flakes out of this chocolate bar, and see you in a minute when the toffee will be ready, and very carefully we will put it on our matzo and we will prepare our delicious snack for Pesach. See you in a minute. Bye. I did it. I have my toffee here. So adults, please help our munchkins to put these on our matzo. Ready? So now, can you see? This is quite yellowish. I'm going to put it on top, and absolutely the children are not allowed to do it, okay? Only the grown-ups. This is our toffee, and I made it putting together, do you remember? Butter and sugar. It's quite brownish, isn't it? Now I'm going to spread it all over. And children, when the parents are doing this, carry on grating your chocolate bar, or get ready to sprinkle on top the chocolate chips, and then you will add some salt. Does everybody know the history of salt? Do you know that human beings have been using salt for thousands of years to season and to preserve food? Yes. And do you know that one of the main sources of salt is the seawater? I invite you to go on Google and check all about the salt. You will discover something very, very interesting. So now here I have my chocolate chips or flake, and I'm going to sprinkle all over. Can you see? It's brown and it's delicious. It goes all over our matzo, and then after it I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. If you have rock salt, it's even better. A little bit, white and nice. Then all this lovely snack is going to go in the oven. Can you touch the oven? No, you can't. So grown-ups, please, let's put this lovely snack in the oven, and then can you please tell me how does it taste like? If it's super yummy, or if you can improve it with something more. Maybe you can add some nuts if you're allowed to eat them, or peanuts, or anything you like, or maybe some seeds. I don't know. I'm waiting for you to tell me. So I'm carrying on with my cooking. Stay safe, stay indoor, and remember, we really love you and miss you all. Bye from Cristina to all of you, with lots of love from the shofar, from all your teachers. Bye.